This is the grave of Elisha Kane, or E.K., and Rebecca Patrick Sanders. E.K. was born October 6, 1860, in Ozark County, Missouri. He was the only child born to James and Sarah Russell Sanders. When E.K. was born, his mother was 16 and his father was 28. 6 months after E.K. was born, the Civil War began in April of 1861. His father, James, served for the Union Army. The next year in 1862, James died during the Civil War in Marshfield, Missouri. EK was only a 1-year-old. According to Family Search, when 18-year-old Sarah heard the news of her husband's death, she walked 65 miles with baby EK in tow to make sure her husband had been properly buried. After making this trip, she fell ill and never recovered. She died the next year in 1863, leaving EK an orphan at the age of 2. After his parents' passing, I believe EK was raised by his mother's parents, Uriah and Lucinda Crow Russell. On the 1870 census, there is a 10-year-old boy named Elliton Russell listed living with them, which I believe to be EK. Rebecca was born December 23, 1865, in Fayetteville, Illinois. She was the last of 7 children born to Samuel and Elizabeth Lowry Patrick. When Rebecca was born, her father was 40 and her mother was 31. Not long after Rebecca was born, her mother passed away. The next year, in 1866, her father Samuel remarried Sally Ransom. They would have 7 more children together. In the 1880 census, the family had settled in Richland Township, Missouri. Rebecca's father had attended medical school in Kentucky. He worked as a farmer and a physician. He was also known for his skills at playing the fiddle. Rebecca's older brother, Dr. Paul Patrick, would also become a physician and was known for his fiddle playing skills as well. When E.K. was 20 years old on August 13, 1881, he married 15-year-old Rebecca Patrick. The couple would have 11 children together, 8 girls and 3 boys: Zoa, Arcee, Sarissa, Gracie, James, Frona, Alaska, Oscar, Estelle, Theo, and Lenore. Out of the 11 children, 4 would pass away at a young age. Sarissa's date and year of passing are unknown, which probably means she was an infant. Gracie passed away in 1899 at the age of 13, and her brother Estelle the next year in 1900 at the age of 9 months. Theo would die due to pneumonia at the age of 28. The couple lived and raised their children in Bridges Township, Ozark County, Missouri. E.K. worked as a farmer and Rebecca as a homemaker. In 1909, E.K. began taking ads out in the local paper for a store he owned named E.K. and Sons in Gainesville, Missouri. The store advertised having ladies' fine dress goods, winter clothing, shoes, hardware, and groceries. Rebecca passed away October 4, 1928, at the age of 62 due to pulmonary tuberculosis, also known as consumption. 4 years later, E.K. would pass away on November 28, 1932, at the age of 72 due to pneumonia. When Rebecca passed, the couple had been married for 47 years. Rebecca and E.K. are buried together at Patrick Cemetery in Luna, Missouri. They are buried next to Rebecca's father, Dr. Samuel Patrick, her brother, Dr. Paul Patrick, her sister Martha, 2 of their children, Gracie and Estelle, and 1 grandchild, Madge. Out of this family, I also cleaned Gracie, Estelle, Madge, and Martha's headstones. Gracie's video has already been posted, and I will be posting the others soon. The top of their headstone facing the sky says Mother and Father. After some research, I think the plant in the middle of the headstone is a palm branch, which is a common Christian symbol that represents spiritual victory or victory over death. This symbol can also signify eternal peace or a heavenly reward. Here are some photos I found of the family. The first is a family photo of E.K. and Rebecca with 7 of their 11 children. In the back row are Arcee, Gracie, and Zoa. The middle row is Alaska, Rebecca holding Oscar, E.K., and Frona. The boy in the very front is James. This photo is Rebecca holding one of her grandchildren, Virginia Martin. Virginia was the only child of Rebecca and EK's seventh daughter, Theo, who passed away at an early age from pneumonia. Sadly, Virginia probably passed away not long after this photo was taken, as she died at the age of 4 months. She is buried in Gainesville Cemetery with her mother, Theo. This is a photo of Rebecca and her sister Mary Patrick Luna. Mary was the oldest child, and Rebecca was the youngest child of Samuel and Elizabeth Patrick. The sisters had an 11-year age difference. Mary is on the left, and Rebecca is on the right. And here is an ad that EK took out in the 1909 Gainesville newspaper for his store, EK and Sons. Here's a photo of the grave before I cleaned it, and here is the after shot that I took 2 months later. It still has some staining. The D2 still has some work to do, but at least you can read it, and I think it looks a lot better. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe.